All right, one more time. The live stream is for educational informational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or tax advice. All right, now we can get that shit out of the way. I'm obviously on YM currently. Just trying to figure out how to, you know what? I think I'm gonna separate my screen so I can actually record my trade. Can I do this? All right. Oh, so much better. All right, and now I can record my trade as well. What else we got? The Discord. Let me put the Discord to the side. All right, now that we have everything. Let me look at the 15 minutes. Yep. I don't like how we are on this bullish fair value gap right now. Obviously, we are at a deep premium, but I do want to see that get inverted possibly and actually get over here. Oh my God. And down to this very first bullish fair value gap that actually broke structure. Ideally, that is what I want to see. It's 950 right now. I'm debating on actually taking that off the table. Possibly. And if anything, I'll get in again. Because I have a feeling it's going to come to retest this untouched gap right here. Ideally, I do want to see price continue being underneath this, but I'm also okay with it coming back to retest that. That is why I'm not at break even currently. So right now I'm just debating if I want to exit the position fully, get some profits in, and then allow for the retest to happen and get back in. I'm gonna move my position, yeah, because it's already like $400 in profit. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put my stops right here just to protect it. Like I said, I do like the fact that I'm already $400 in profit, so it's kind of like I don't know, just a decision on how to manage the trade really at this point. Oh my God, I forgot to put my lip gloss. You know, people be saying like, you know what pisses me off about men sometimes? Aside from the obvious. I got a lot of comments like, what happened to your lip? And I'm like, bitch, do you not know what a fucking lip gloss looks like? Like, I swear, like they be acting as if they never seen women wear lip gloss before. Like, and then those comments, like literally, I'm not like insecure about my appearance, but the fact that you're so fucking stupid pisses me off so bad that I blocked them right away. I was like, no, you don't deserve to be commenting on my shit. Like, you're just gonna piss me off because you're so fucking stupid. But let's do a little recap. I'm going to do it over here on the trading view just because I like drawing on trading view better. But we had an obvious buy side liquid. We had an obvious buy side liquidity be taken exactly at 9:30. You see that? Creating a rejection block. So you see how we create the rejection block with the big wick that takes the previous high, right? And then we displace lower almost immediately and leaving a bearish fair value gap. So ideally, like I said, I do want to see a tap of this fair value gap, hope possibly. But I'm also okay with us leaving it open because we did create a breaker block right here. So we do have a unicorn setup, and sometimes we don't come back to retest it. I do not like the fact that we are respecting this bullish value gap though, but I do expect it to invert. So I think we have an obvious shift in order flow right now. And then on the other screen, as you guys can see, I am on the 30 seconds. So this is the 5 minutes. That's the 30 seconds. I'm observing and we are respecting still, like kind of trickling down and creating another accumulation, right? So if you understand the market maker buy and sell model, you know that, after the smart money reversal, we have, the first stage of redistribution. I don't want to extend right, which is an accumulation, a displacement, another accumulation right here, another displacement, another accumulation. And this is how we want to see price move. So now I'm expecting another delivery towards sell side to invert that bullish fair value gap. Oh, that was good. Damn. I'm going to clip that later. Sometimes I surprise myself with how much I know. That I'm like, guys, this was years in the making. And now, hey, calm down. I did forget to be an influencer, so I gotta go LARP real quick and tell people that I am on YouTube. Damn it, how do I do this? Okay. I don't even have the link for the YouTube. Everything's fine. Guys, it's not that I really mind streaming. I like streaming. I hate the prep that goes for streaming. I generally do. It's like, I'm not gonna lie, I thought about getting rid of YouTube because I'm like, YouTube stresses me out. Like, Discord is so easy. I just click in, I just join. There's no fuckery. But YouTube, like, a lot more prep goes into it than you think. There's like so many plugins that I gotta be on, and I gotta write this and I gotta write that. All right, what song do we want? Oh, fuck, I can't do this. I actually got B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Shit is bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Shit is bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. And shit is bananas. Oh my God. Okay, so somebody was talking about my lizard and it doesn't have battery right now, and I'm very upset about that. But this was the greatest purchase of all times. And I actually got more than one. I can't find the other one. I have to charge it. And the fact that I have to charge it kind of doesn't sit well with me. Like, why doesn't it have batteries? Oh, wait a second. Is this the other one? Oh, we had a security, like a safety pin. Holy shit. Hold on. Oh, fuck. Hell yeah. This is how some of you guys be sounding like. Yo, so obviously I have my table behind me, so we are sea lion ready, kind of, because I don't want to break everything that is in it. I do have to move some shit out of the way. What is NASDAQ doing? Fuckery. We're bullish as fuck, boy. I think... seriously considering taking my $500. Fuck it. No risk, no Rari. We're not taking that thing. Fuck it. Take me out at $200. Takes me out at $200. I want to see this bitch invert and continue down, but like this shit takes too long, bro. Like why? Oh, guys, this is my journal. So see, this is what you guys need to do. You need to journal. Let's see. Oh my God, I've had this journal for so fucking long. Okay, I don't like that. Do not like that at all. It's gonna come down from here. I have a feeling it's about to fuck me.
Order filled.
Yep, sure did. That's fine. We have $200 in play. I want to see. Let's see if we can get a push up into the fair value gap, though. Come on. I want us to turtle soup above that. All right. So this is the part that I like to pay attention to. Okay. And you guys be tripping that I'm on the 15 seconds because I don't want to just see a push, okay, into the fair value gap and into the breaker in order to get in. I want to see if we can create a changing state of delivery on the 15 seconds as well. That is the only reason why I usually go on the 15 seconds is to confirm my entry. You see how like we respect the 15 seconds fair value gap? Yep, there is a push. That is the liquidity sweep. And then I want to see if now we can get a change in state of delivery on the 15 seconds to confirm my entry so I get no drawdown. Because imagine had I just pressed the sell button as we tapped, I would be in a hella drawdown right now. All right, we're approaching the middle of that gap, right? So the 50% right there. I want to see if we can changing state of delivery, right? Okay, now we're getting the changing state of delivery possibly. I want to see it drop down a little bit lower, and then we can get in. Sometimes I like to put a stop, like right here, 53917, 539, well, 917. And that's how I like to play with like stop orders. That way we catch the momentum coming down instead of sitting in drawdown. Boy, Danny, if you don't manage your own position and leave me to manage my trade the fuck alone. I like how we're respecting the fair value gap. All right, come on, give it to me. Give it to me.
Order filled.
Perfect. All right. Where's my stop loss? I didn't fill my stop. Right there. Boom. All right. Now drop. Bro. Now all this shit is just being on my way. What is NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ is still going up. I don't like that because YM is bullish as fuck. NASDAQ showing no signs
Order filled.
of reversing anytime soon. All right, so still break even on the day. Let's see. I like how NASDAQ did that little break. Can we go up and sweep this accumulation one more time? No. I do not like how we are stuck in between these two fair value gaps right now. Can we break? Can we break one more time? Where's my 15 seconds? Amy. We are not talking shit about people in the Discord. I do not care how you feel, but you're about to get muted. Amy, mute that guy, please. There we go. Another sweep of the accumulation. NASDAQ already broke things down. All right. Boom. Oh, fuck. Why did I... Bro.
Order filled.
There we go. Going in with a little bit smaller lot. Because I don't like how this... Quite honest, I do not like how this looks that much. I don't want to do like 150. Because like if it doesn't reverse from here, I think we're just going to invert this fair value gap. Put it on top of the bearish candle. 175. And then I'll put 5 on the bottom as a stop order. And then I'll add to my position if we continue going down. Now that song is stuck in my head. Shit is bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A, yes. The shit is bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A, yes. I genuinely wanted to put my stop right here, but I'm not gonna put my stop too tight. But ideally, I don't see a reason why we would come back to that unless we're just gonna go up from here. Because that was a really perfect rejection, but I'll wait another 3 minutes for the 15-minute candle to close. Ideally, I want the 15-minute candle to close and not break the bearish fair value gap. And then hopefully the next 15-minute candle actually delivers, because it's going to deliver in one of two ways. It's either going to push up or push down. So I don't think we're going to stay in accumulation much longer. NASDAQ is just pumping. That is the reason why I don't like to be on sales right this second on YM, even though it's struggling a little bit. Like, ideally, I would like NQ to just tank. NQ is so fucking bullish that I don't think this bitch is gonna come down until we reach. I think it's going for all-time highs again. Like, that's what I actually want to see. I think we're done ever since we got shit. This rejection block right here inside of the weekly fair value gap. Like, this shit is cooked. Like, this shit is going for all-time highs again. And that is the only reason why I'm not risking too much on YM right now, because I do want to see a healthy retracement. But the way that NQ is so fucking bullish, I don't know if we're going to. It might be one of those scenarios that we are just like where's YM reaching towards? I don't even know. Fucking nothing. It's at all-time highs already, isn't it? Where is it? YM is just up. It already did what NQ wants to do right here. Looks like the same exact thing. See, YM already took the buy side liquidity, and NQ has yet to reach that. I do not like that. It's about to take me out one more time. See? This shit ain't coming down.
Order filled.
Yep. And I'm out. YM is going for those highs again. I don't think we're selling anytime soon. So. No, you're dead ass getting like muted or banned, because like one thing that you don't do when you're in somebody's stream is question why the fuck they are doing something. Like, I don't fucking like you. Who are you? Like, that is definitely something that you don't fucking do. And I'm fucking sick of it. Nah, bro. I don't give a fuck he's on timeout again. I'm banning his ass. Nah, Amy, somebody starts saying some dumb shit like that, I don't give a fuck. You get a one-time warning. One time for the one time. You say something again, you're just fucking done. Had I actually seen, you see why I don't like streaming sometimes? Because, like, imagine I am in an emotional state that I'm actually like, if I was on another trade and the trade is going against me, my anxiety is high. And then somebody come over here being like, why are you shorting all-time highs? Why don't you shove it up your fucking ass and don't short all-time highs? Whatever the fuck you do with your own trading, you do with your own trading. Don't tell me what the fuck to do and not do. Bro, pissed me off. Nah, bro. I am ignoring them, especially because he's banned now. I'm just saying that it really pisses me off how people are inconsiderate. Because I don't give a fuck what nobody says. I know my strategy. I know why I'm shorting. And I'm not like over here like, oh, let me press the button one more time. Then go ahead. Buy on a fucking premium. Yeah, bro. Like, people are so inconsiderate and so fucking stupid. Like, are you here to learn or just to talk shit? Because if it is to talk shit, I'm gonna talk shit right back. NQ shorting. But I don't see an entry criteria for me on NQ though. Not yet, at least. I guess. This shit looks ugly as fuck. No, I see what you see. I just don't. I'm very particular at what happens after the liquidity sometimes. I don't like to see an accumulation after a sweep. You see how on YM it was just like a one leg up, one leg down? That's why I took that short. On NQ, it kind of like it trickled down up and trickled down a little bit and kind of accumulated. And like we literally did that into a bullish fair value gap. So I'm just kind of like, feel like we're just gonna come back up. Yeah. I'm sure just taking those $500 into the fair value gap, I had a feeling that I was just like, we respect this bullish fair value gap. We're cooked. She called me off to do my academy work. Yeah. Well, on that note, I'm also about to end this stream because I am not shorting anything right now. YM is not showing signs. Like, I want, if anything, if I were to short YM one more time, I would want to see a resweep But I'm not liking how things are looking still. I would have to see like us invert this gap right here or something. Something a little bit more major than this. I'm okay actually with us not sweeping that high one more time, because then we would actually not have closed above the bearish fair value gap. But I would have to see a change instead of delivery on the 15 minutes. See what NQ is doing? This is what I did not want to see it do, because I knew, like, when it kind of trickles down a little bit, I feel like it's just going to push up because none of the bodies closed below the 50%. And I'm not a continuation trader. So I want to see something a little bit more major from both pairs before I get in. Like, it would be a closure below that and then a closure below that. Oh, is it actually giving it to me? Suspicious. Nah, I'm not doing it. Well, it's still valid. Like, it's a valid short from here. Why am I looking the 15 seconds? No, I don't like the accumulation. I don't see anything that I really like, to be honest. Maybe YM is okay. It didn't close above the bearish fair value gap. Yeah, we're very, very bullish to the point that I'm like, I don't think I want to try shorting again. Unless NQ like takes that buy side and goes back down. I still would want to see a retracement, to be quite honest, like I was mentioning, to around these levels. I think it's very plausible scenario. Do I want to try one more time on YM? Because we didn't close. It's about to be 10:30. I'm going to try one more time. You know what? Fuck it. I didn't mean to put a stop. I meant to get in. Let me in. Fuck it.
Order filled.
And then I'm going to put my stop. No, I'm not doing 450. That is insane work. Insane work right there. I'll try one more time. Just because we got that really good rejection on the 15 minutes. We're about to close in 3 minutes. I would like to see that. We're rejecting and creating, respecting this 15-minute bearish fair value gap on YM, and NQ taking buy side liquidity one more time and then coming back down. I'm interested. Fuck. know what? Let me start my thing one more time. All right. Bet. I do not want to add anything until we actually invert the 15-minute bullish, though. I'm just going to reduce my stop loss. $85, fine. I don't want to lose any more money. I'll add more. I'm not going to do stop. I'm going to do market. Do I add one more? I think I should add one more.
Order filled.
Because I think I can reduce my stop loss. Invert that. I'm okay with the risking 200. There we go. All right. Now we just got to go. If this thing keeps on playing back up, I'm just done for the day. Come on. Clean down. Oh my God, I have to pee. I couldn't have waited to pee at a worse time. Shit, if it's gonna take me out, it's gonna take me out. I have to pee. Oh. Do we have good news or bad news? Oh my God, this thing is like not giving up. Oh. Huh. Yeah, no, we're done.
Order filled.
We are 100% done. That is not it. All right. Well, guys, I'll see you on Thursday. If you are in the boot camp, don't forget to submit your homework. I'll check in with you guys later. Yeah, I'm done for the day. All right. Bye.